What's up, everybody? Back-to-back videos here. Quick install video for this next surprise of the day. You know, if you got a V2, there's one thing you're missing that you wish you had that all the cool kids on V4s have. Aero. Bought the wings. So I bought the plastic wings. We're gonna throw those on today. So what do we got in the box? 8 screws. 4 wings, and they're all labeled left and right. And standard Ducati, no instructions. Back to Ducati World, accessories. What bike you looking for? Streetfighter V2 2023. Go to fiberglass and plastic parts. And there's hardly any parts here. So right away, you're gonna get the fiberglass or plastic wing set. Now, assembly instructions. Wait for it. Typical Ducati. Here we go, 8 languages, all overlapping. Here's your 4 pieces, 2 screws each. This is basically going to be plug and play. Number 1, your filler pieces. Those are pressure fits. We're just going to pop those off. So, bottom, top. These literally just have a clip underneath, and those will just pop right off. Just like that. And you can see your 4 screw holes. You can see here on the bags, before I pull this all apart, lower left hand, upper left hand. Pretty cool. Just because I'm that guy, I'm taking my pieces that I took off the left and right and putting them in the left and right bags. So back to the instructions. You can see the upper and lower piece here, 2 screws each at 5 Newton meters. Here you can see the left side, super easy alignment. Those will pop right into position. There's a little gapping there. I know people have been complaining about that. And then your 2 4mm underneath. There's the lower. If you've got a longer 4mm with a round head, that'll make your life a little bit easier. And we'll snug these up and hit it with the torque wrench after. When you put this on, you'll see there is a little angle here. So make sure you leave that little gap just so your screw on the front will line up. Now the top. Crazy. Fitment on the top wing is a lot nicer, super clean. Looking good. Just gonna tighten that up. That's so sick. Quick and easy. Left side is on. Now just do exactly the same on the right side. And that is that. Just gonna go back and make sure I've spec'd those for 5 Newton meters with a torque wrench, and we're done. Geek out for just a second now that this is done. So these wings on the V4, anyone who's been watching drag tests between all the leader bikes, naked bikes, the V4 has been the fastest drag bike of all bikes, including the H2, which is crazy. But they say these wings add 65 kilos of downforce at 250. And so that's, it's like a 130 or 140 pound, you know, man sitting on your front tire. So sticks you to the ground, really effective at high speeds. So looking forward to checking that out. And the other thing, all those drag races, top speeds, everyone has some kind of fairing on the bike to get it going. So if you haven't seen the last video, I just made a video about how to install the Ducati windscreen on the Streetfighter V2. Thanks again for watching. It's time to go for some rides now. feeling a little bit better. I think I said in my last video I had COVID, so slow recovery, but cool to see some parts coming in and get some more content out here. Time to go for a ride. See you later, Ducatistas. Yeah.